Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you've been to my channel before, then welcome back. I've been going on vacation for a week, so I came back this morning, yesterday, and then this morning I tried to go and take a ride, and guess what happened? This is let me show you. So turn it on. Trying to start. Hit start. RPM struggling. And it's turn off. Trying to start again. Struggling. Then turn off. Now I did check the battery already. The battery is good. I also checked the spark plug and it's good, so my best guess is the same thing happened as before, and that is remember, like, well, maybe 7 or 8 months ago I replaced the carburetor, so I guess right now there's something wrong with the carburetor, and my best guess is probably is gonna be the main jet. The main jet probably clogged. That's why it dying on me. So I'll go ahead and take this out. Take the carburetor out and try to clean the jet and put it back, and I will let you know how's that work out. But hopefully the main jet is the only thing that giving me problem. So cleaning the main jet is pretty easy. So I'll come back and after cleaning the jet and tell you and show you if it's work out well or not.
Hello again. So after I remove the carburetor, clean out the fuel jet inside the carburetor, you can use some kind of wire or this small to clean out the jet, the main jet, and clean out everything. Give it a good blow, or if you have an air compressor, then use the air compressor. So that's what I did. Now for the big test. Turn it on. It's fire up, and we have to see how long it's lasts. Let's see if it shut down again or not. So it looked like the RPM is stable. So it looked like the engine's doing good. Look like cleaning the main jet on the carburetor, fixing the problem. So that's it. So I'm gonna put the seat back and everything back to the scooter, and guess it fixed the problem. So if you have the same problem I am, so hopefully this video will help you out, and hope that you can solve the same problem like I did. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.